Hi, I'm Joe Bricko. I'm Director of Sales here at Range Systems. We have three different types of target retrieval systems that you can choose from. We have a good, better, and best system. Our good system is called the RS1000. Our better system is called the Caliber CR2, and our best system is going to be the Caliber CR2TL. Our good system is called the RS1000. The goal of the RS1000 system is to be a price point driven system. So if someone had a limited budget and they still had the need to have target transport or a target carrier, this would be a great system to look at. It's really everything you need and nothing you don't. And with this, you're still getting a solid rail, which typically you don't find on a price point driven system, along with a cable driven type of a drive. So you still get the high strength aircraft cable along with the solid I-beam rail. Now another benefit is the ease of operation. The RS1000 system doesn't take any training at all. Basically anyone can walk into the lane and be able to run this system because it's run just off a toggle. Press the toggle out, the target goes out, pull the toggle back, it comes back. So it's very, very basic. Another nice part about this, the system is really designed off-the-shelf parts. So if during the day you had a part get hit or shot out, you could really run to the hardware store, grab an off-the-shelf part, and get yourself back up and running. So you get the ease of operation for your lane management efficiencies, and then you also get a price point driven system with some nice features that you would typically find in higher price point type of retrievals. So next is going to be our better system, and our better system is called the CR2 system by Caliber. Now the nice benefit of the Caliber system is the fact that you get this digital touchscreen user interface. Now the best feature with this is the one press operation. Now most systems out there that have a digital interface require multiple functions to make the target actually go down range, and a lot of times this is going to confuse your user because they expect to press a button and have something happen. So a lot of times what people think is the control is actually broken or they need some type of training. With this, it's very, very intuitive. You can see on the face that all your different preset distances are on there. For example, if I want the target to go 10 yards, I simply press 10 yards. And from there, right on the face is going to be a jog feature, so I can move that target by just simply pressing the plus or the minus to move that target to your exact distances that you want. Now the carrier itself is going to be protected with an AR500 steel plate. And you can see where the target is clipped in that there's no additional clip or clamp, which is really a great feature because you don't have an additional wear item there that can potentially be shot out. Other features within this system is going to be called the ramp up feature. So once I press a distance, you can see that the target starts out real slow and then it's going to ramp up a speed. So with that, it's going to get to its desired location a lot faster. All that's going to do is create more efficiency within your day. For a range owner, people are going to shoot more ammo because the target's going to get there faster. And then for the user, when it comes home with having that sensor within where it slows down, it's going to ease in, so it's not going to slam into a stop, which can provide an opportunity to actually startle that user and create, a negative situation with that. 11 gauge galvanized rail. This system is run on a cable. We're big believers in a cable because you're not putting your critical components into the actual drive unit. Anytime you put critical components in the drive unit, it gives an opportunity for those to go out from impacts, create any kind of dust. Basically, if you're going to put a computer downrange and shoot at it, it's just a matter of time before something bad is going to happen or you're going to have some kind of failure. So we're a big believer in the cable drive systems. A lot of times cables get a bad rap because of where the cable is actually located within the rails. So on this system, the cable is entirely disguised. So at no time is that exposed to a direct line of fire. So really with this, you get the reliability of the cable, and then with it being orientated the way it is, it's never going to be in the direct line of fire. So this means there's going to be a lot less downtime from potential cables getting hit where you have to string a new cable. Another added feature that's really nice is the call for help button. So on the user interface, you're going to have a call button, which is going to flash a red light on the back of the drive unit. and that'll just let the range master, range operator know that the user needs some help. Maybe it's more ammo, or they have a gun jam, or whatever it is. So this is our better system. Again, it's the Caliber CR2 system. The final system is going to be our best system. The best system is called the Caliber CR2 TL. The difference between this system and the CR2 system that we just went through is this adds the feature of turning in lights. So it's actually a scenario-based type of system. So within the local control screen, there's going to be 20 preset scenarios for decision making, along with the ability to customize really any scenario that you want to create on your own. So built-in scenarios or customized scenarios on their own. So one of the unique things about the Caliber systems is the ability to field upgrade. So you can take the good system, which is the Caliber CR2, and you can upgrade this in the field to the Caliber CR2 TL. Again, the TL is turning in lights. So within the local control, there's going to be preset scenarios where you can have decision making within with turning and edging. So you see an additional module on here that the CR2 doesn't have. The CR2 will accept this module, so within the field you can upgrade that to a scenario-based turning and edging type of system. Now going through the scenarios, again, they're preset within here. I've just randomly selected, in this case, scenario number 3, simple one-press operation. Again, another unique feature with Caliber is the one-press operation. Press the start button, it's counting down. That gives you time for the user to get ready, get the gun in position, and now it's going to run through its scenarios. So this is going to be decision making. A lot of times what users are going to do is they're going to put a good guy target on the front face and a bad guy on the back. So you have to really quick make a decision if that's a shot or a non-shot. So the same type of rail, again, it's a cable-driven system. We're big believers in the cable because of the reliability. You're not putting critical range components downrange that you potentially shoot at. The cable, again, is going to be disguised, so it's out of the direct line of fire. So it allows you to put all the critical components behind the shooter and then have the reliability of a cable-driven system, so you're not worried about different connections, batteries failing, or batteries dying over time. So again, a cable-driven system with the abilities to set program scenarios.